entrance of the masjid here. See, it has cameras there. It's a very beautiful masjid. Still in construction. Guys, so we're trying out barking. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be heading to the Anjuman Masjid. Since it's Friday, today is Juma, and we're heading to that masjid here. It's a very close by masjid here in Gurugram. So like 5 minutes away from where I'm staying, and it's very huge. It has 5 stories, so we're currently heading there by auto. Hi guys, so we're approaching the masjid. It's over there. See? Going for the third Juma. It's 2:30. The entrance of the masjid here. We're here at the top of the masjid here. It's a good view on top here. This is the 5th floor up. This is directly at the front of the masjid here. See the busy traffic there, and over there is a mall over there. We're going to check that out just now. Might grab ice cream or so. Nice view here. We're currently heading down to show you guys the other floors. Okay guys, so you can see here the masjid is still under construction. It's trying maybe to finish by Ramadan in a few weeks. This is the 5th floor here. Construction is being done. When we came the first time, the 2nd floor was under construction. See lots of progress being made so far. Speakers and stuff are installed on other floors. See here, this is the 4th floor. Yes, it's almost finished. I think you see it has glass doors and stuff. Brand new doors. Very nice here. Speakers already installed and fans and stuff like that. And we try to catch the last Juma because they are usually have like 3 Jumas, and all of them are usually packed except for the last one. So you can see like thousands of people come here every Friday to observe prayers. So let's head to the 3rd floor. This is the 3rd floor here. Let's see here. Brand new windows as well with the nice setup here. Guys, and one thing amazing about this masjid, also has the underground part. It's very nice. This is the 4th floor here. Now the imam is out there. See the time board is there, so this is the underground part. See, it has cameras there. CCTV cameras. Donation for school. Contribution, donation for Zakat from school. We have different kind of donation boxes here for helping different kinds of persons. It has yeah. Yeah. Zakat funds are given at Anjuman charitable. And the school madrasa. It's a gift there's some charity there towards the masjid here. It's a very beautiful masjid, still in construction. So imagine how it will look when it's finished. Has like 5 floors. That's kind of amazing. And thousands of people come here to observe prayer. This is the wudu area here. Guys, so we're heading over to this mall here. It's a MGM mall, M3M mall, I think. One of the branches of that mall there. There's also small restaurants here in the Punjab. So unique design here. Oval shape bars here. It's look like a new mall here, because you can see lots of places are open for rent. So different booths. Salon here. Going up the elevator here. See a view on top. This is a very fancy salon here. See here. It looks like Toonie Tales. So a play area, indoor play area and cafe here. And there's a big fitness gym here as well. Nice area on top here. There's the fitness gym. Has other upper floors as well. Very nice. Gonna grab ice cream at the front there. Has Burger King, so we're gonna grab ice cream. Alright, it's a very nice mall here, and I'm gonna grab ice cream right now. It has lots of stores. This is the downstairs part here. Saga Ratina restaurant coming there soon. This looks like a fancy restaurant here. Spices, sea and soul. And some anime plays here. Some different anime tokens here. Trying to grab a softie. That's it called here in at Burger King here. Okay, so at Burger King here you can order on the app. So you're gonna dine in, and we're going to order dessert, and we're gonna buy a chocolate dip frosty, 2 chocolate dip frosty here. We're gonna add a vanilla softie. So now I'm gonna add 2 chocolate dip frosty and 1 vanilla frosty, and every time you place an order you earn crowns and you can get a free meal. So depending on the price of your order, it says here $1, 1 rupee equal to 1 crown. So you will eventually get a free meal. You see we have 899 crowns so far, and we can redeem our crowns whenever we reach the amount to a certain item. So we're going in right now to purchase our items at the counter. You have to tell them the number, we have to check out, and we're gonna select a table number in here right now. So you can see each table number is numbered. Each table is numbered. That number you put on the app and you'll go up to the counter and pay. So you gotta pay the cashier at counter. So you have to go up at the counter and pay. Okay, so this is our bill here for our order. So you only pay like $127 for the three softie. Two were chocolate dipped and one was vanilla. And this is the amount of crowns that we earned, 127 crowns. And they also have different deals here as well. They have different one here. Extra crispy veggie burger for 99 rupees, which is about $1 US. That's very cheap. And they have different deals here as well. 50% off, I think, here. Let's see here. It's very cheap. So they also recently had Republic Day, so you can see there. They have some specials there. They have a Burger King combo. Classic for only $209 veggie. Have all those items for that price. That's about $2 US. They're the top item, very cheap. See there, lots of deals they had for Republic Day. 35% off, very nice. So most persons pay with their phone. You could pay at the screen there or pay with card. It's very simple. They pay UPI with their phone directly from the bank account. Very simple and easy for them to use here in India. And you can also use your credit card or debit card here as well. So it also has a upper part there, seating area on top there. You can check it out right now. The upper part. Here at Burger King. There's lots of seating area here. Okay, nice. So it has music and stuff here. Some good seating areas here. It's currently during the day, so it's not so packed. Okay, so here we have our softies. We have the chocolate one and vanilla. We're gonna taste test it right now. Guys, so we're trying out Burger King frosty here, chocolate dip for the first time. Very creamy and nice, guys. You like it?
Yeah, it's the best.
Okay, nice. Guys, so we just finished from Burger King here. It's a really good meal there. Last time we came, we bought veggie burger and fries and a Coke for only 150 rupees, which is about $1.50, which was really a good deal. So you can see there the truck is soaking the road there. We're currently booking a hotel to go home. Only 58 rupees, which is about 50 cents US. So you're 53 rupees. So only about 50 cents for 5 minutes away. Coming here. 1 minute away. Right across the street over there. That other lane here. Right, it's about to arrive here. Alright, so we're currently heading back to the apartment. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was a